Alrighty, so the topic of this video is more quick shortcuts in Aspen. This is like day 2 when you're ready to handle more little tips and tricks. If you're looking at a student list, and I screenshotted this from the high school, you might see different things here than in the quick reference card. So I'll go back to the quick reference card in a minute, but this is from the high school Aspen page when you're in student and you're looking at a whole list of students. Name is there, homeroom is there, year of graduation is there. So you can click on one of these to get a very quick sort. So if you are looking for a student whose last name starts with Z, the last name, first letter of the last name is Z maybe, click on name and that will get the Z's to the top. You might have to hit it a second time slowly. If you click on homeroom, that's a way to get the homeroom sorted. And if you click it again, the highest homeroom numbers would be at the top. And maybe you want to filter out the freshman or the senior's year of graduation, would do a quick sort for you that way. Now I'm going to go to the quick reference card where a lot of other things are covered. This is called the Tips and Shortcuts Quick Reference Card. And on page 2 are the ones that I use most frequently. So I'm going to start on page 2. If you're looking at a list of students, kind of like in this quick reference card where there's a list, you can click on the checkbox and then click something on the left side. So if I want to quickly get to this boy's parents and guardians information, I can click on the checkbox and then click on contacts, and that'll go there. You don't have to click into the student first. So that might save you a few seconds. I have noticed once in a while you'll get a save message. You don't have to click OK to that because it will go away in a moment. If you want to, by all means, click OK, or the Enter key also clicks OK for you. If you are in a form filling things out, like maybe you're filling out a grade report and you want to move across the table column to column, you can do a tab key to go left to right across. It'll jump column to column. Shift tab will move backwards. And this might seem silly if you're using a mouse, but it's nice to have your left hand on the left side of the keyboard and you can use these tricks quickly and get your work done faster. It says you can use the up arrow and down arrow to go to the next record, but I've never really used that. I mostly, if I go back to this view, if I'm in a card like this, a student card, I use the arrows up in the top right corner to go to the next student and the next student and so on. Back on this tips and shortcuts card, I do use these shortcuts all the time. Control A for select all if you're selecting the contents of a cell. Control C for copy, X for cut. P is not for paste, it's for print. So V is paste. You can remember that V is for Velcro and Velcro is sticky, kind of like paste is sticky. So to copy and paste is Control C and then Control V when you click somewhere else. Click in the box where the selection is going and do Control V. You can also use filter, which I will tell you about in another video. Changing the field set can be useful if you need to change the columns that you're looking at on the screen. And then quick print will do a quick printout of whatever is on your screen. Another kind of handy shortcut is that you don't have to use slashes when you're typing dates. If you type in 123119, you'll get December 31st, 2019. You do have to type zeros, like 060923 would be June 9th, 2023. If you're blinking in a date field and you just want to quickly type in today's date, you can type a T and then tab out of that box and it will put the date in for you. The times, you can type in like 3:44 p.m. it will put in the colon for you, and it will put in a space, and it will capitalize the PM for you. So times can be quickly typed in that way. Now on the quick reference cards, they've put Control F as a feature, but honestly, that has never really worked for me, because if you're searching for a student, you have to be pretty exact when you type what you're looking for. So those are the tips and tricks I use most often, other than queries, quick reports, and filters. So we'll do those in another video.